Today is a great day for a good iFit training ride. Every day is a great day for an iFit training ride.
Hi, I'm your iFit trainer, Chris Davenport, and we are gonna ride around the purest large lake in the world, Lake Tahoe. There is so much to see, and this program will showcase everything the area has to offer. The views are stunning, and we're getting strong. So are you ready? Here we go. This 12 workout series is perfect for all fitness and outdoor enthusiasts. As we take on beginner to intermediate terrain, each segment around the lake will focus on either an endurance push or strength intervals as we build up a base for riding longer distances together.
This is awesome.
This is a program you won't want to miss. So sign into iFit, jump on your bike, and I will see you out there.
Are you ready?
Here we go.